Hey guys, I am Shruti and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make all natural peanut butter at home. Making peanut butter is so easy. Store-bought peanut butter may contain added refined sugar, unhealthy fats, refined oil or even preservatives. But when you make them at home, it's just wholesome peanuts and a pinch of salt and jaggery. No extra oils or sugar and yet thick and creamy and natural. The fats in natural homemade peanut butter is heart healthy monosaturated fat and it's very easy to make. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the recipe. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified on my new post. To make peanut butter, I am roasting a cup of peanuts, that is about 250 grams of raw peanuts, and I am going to roast the peanuts on medium to low flame. Roasting the peanuts helps to release the phytic acid content. It helps to release the natural healthy fats, that is the natural oil in the peanuts. Once the peanuts are roasted, allow it to cool down and then peel off the skin. To peel the skin, I am just rubbing the peanuts with a clean cotton napkin. Once the skin is removed, I have added the peanuts into my new blender jar. This is the newest addition to my kitchen, Nutri Bullet Pro High Speed Mixer. It features a powerful 900 watt motor with unique extraction blades and exclusive cyclonic action. I will also leave in product link down below this video, you can check it out. Into the blender jar, I am adding in a spoon of jaggery. I am also adding in 1/4 spoon salt. Then I am tightly securing the lid of the jar. It comes with two blades. First I will be using this blade and I am going to pulse the blender for a couple of times. I just pulsed it for about 3 to 4 times and now you can see that the peanuts are nicely crushed. And now I am just mixing this with a spoon and then again going to grind this for a couple of times. So after about 40 seconds, this is how the peanut butter is looking. It's nicely mixed and oil has started to release out. So just mixing this again with the spoon and now I'll be changing the blade. I'll be using the other blade and I am going to grind this again for another 30 to 40 seconds. Now my thick and creamy peanut butter is ready. Can you believe that it took just 5 minutes to make this thick and creamy peanut butter? It is so easy to make peanut butter at home. No preservatives, no refined oil or no sugar, yet healthy and tasty peanut butter. Store this peanut butter in an airtight container. You can see that with just 250 grams of peanuts, it gave me up to 1 cup of peanut butter. It's very cheap and healthy. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.